in this way. Now, the deep insight cannot be acquired, not by learning. The deep insight is given to us. It shows. We can't grasp it. It suddenly shows. There is a certain procedure by which we reach the deeper insight, the essential insight. What is essential can never be observed. The essential things are beyond things that can observe. It's beyond observation. Now, the basic procedure for acquiring this special knowledge is what I call the phenomenological approach. But forget this word. It means you gain knowledge by a certain giving up. So instead of grasping, you take a step back and you expose yourself to a situation. For instance, you expose yourself to a client coming up. You don't look at the client, only a little bit, you see. You expose yourself exactly as that person is. Or you expose yourself to a situation as it is. Or you expose yourself to a certain truth, something that is called a truth. For instance, you expose yourself to what is said about God. Just expose yourself. And you have no intention and no fear. And you wait. And suddenly, an insight is given to you. It shows outside, not inside. Outside. Suddenly, you grasp a connection, an essential connection. And that is the kind of knowledge that supports this kind of